What's up, guys? It's your girl TT back with another video. Okay, here I am seasoning my fish with garlic powder, paprika, seasonal, mustard, hot sauce, seasoning it up real good. Rubbing it in real good right here. On both sides. Make sure you rub it in real good on both sides, you guys. Season it with the same seasonings on both sides. Had to tap that bottle a little bit to make it come out. Here I am just seasoning the other side of my fish. Okay, here's my fish after I let it marinate for 10 minutes. After that, here I am showing y'all the fish. After that, I got my flour and fish fry, and I mix it together, and I coated my fish in with it. I put my fish inside the batter, shake off the excess. Then I waited until my oil heated up. Made sure my fish was very well coated. Here I am just still mixing it up, you guys. Mix. Here I am putting my fish in the batter. Here I am showing y'all my oil. Then I grabbed some fish fry and put it inside the oil to make sure it was ready. Yeah, I was coating my fish right here still, you know. So, all in the process of coating and make sure everything is well coated. Look at that fish sizzle, you guys. My son was playing with my camera. I had to hold my camera with one hand and then put my fish in the fryer with the other hand. Y'all, I was looking for my grabbers and I missed them twice. I finally picked them up. Flip my fish over to the other side. Here I am showing y'all where I'm gonna put my fish to let it rest and cool off for a little bit. And here is my fish, the end results of it. Look at that fish, y'all, golden. And that's the end of my video.